Hi everybody, Broken Ebeez here. Just a quick video for you today, quick Linux video. Is MX Linux the Windows gaming replacement platform of 2024? It's a question, not a statement. Now, in some of my previous content, I've had some criticism levelled at me, and it's very valid criticism in that I've shown games load into the launchers. I'm not actually ran them and played them. Well, I can 100% categorically assure you all that every single game you can see here on my desktop runs flawlessly, and they're games from as old as 2004 to as current as 2023, and they run beautifully. MX Linux AHS Edition isn't your ordinary, average, everyday run-of-the-mill ho-hum Linux distribution. It uses its own packages, it has its own tweaks, its own tools, and indeed its own repositories as well. And it's also backed by a very talented group of people who know what they're doing. And the reason that this is one of the most beloved desktop Linux operating systems is it's designed and squarely aimed at the clueless, the feckless, and the absolutely useless desktop operating system user. It's not aimed at the Linux enthusiast, although a Linux enthusiast could probably use this operating system very, very happily. So if you all keep watching the channel, then over the coming days, weeks and months, I'll be doing lots and lots of gameplay with all these games that you see on my desktop to prove to you all that not only do the games load to launcher, but they load and run beautifully. For me personally, MX Linux is an absolute Windows 10, 11, 12 killer without a shadow of a doubt. But that's for me personally. What is it for you? And do you feel that MX Linux has hit the spot that just about every other Linux distro has missed by a country mile? Be very, very interesting to get your thoughts and your comments, and indeed I will be doing a follow-up video to this one in the not too distant future, and we'll go through some of the comments and some of the feedback that you guys and girls have posted. My sincere thanks to all those who posted on the gaming video. I think that one was the 30 plus games tested. So thank you very much for your feedback and for your criticisms. It has been taken on board, noted, and more importantly, acted upon. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, thumb the videos up if you love them, thumb down if you hate them. I will see you for another wicked Broken Ebeez video.